Welcome back everyone to the Hello World Guide. This is another episode of the C programming series, and in this video we are mainly going to wrap up this series of the bank account system and the C programming language series by introducing two fail-safes here. So the first one is if the amount that the user entered is less than 0, which means it's negative, then we are going to say cannot withdraw or deposit a negative amount, because the user should not be able to withdraw a negative amount, because that is of course not how it is supposed to work, and they should not be able to deposit a negative amount either. Therefore we are going to add that check to make sure nothing wrong happens here. And down here, when we are doing this, we are going to make sure that if the accounts I.balance is less than amount and we are withdrawing. So if we are withdrawing and the balance is less than the amount we want to withdraw, then we want to remind the user that there is not enough balance and return. We do not want to allow the user to withdraw more money than there is, and this should basically make sure that our program does not run into any serious errors or security problems. So let's go ahead and run that just to see if it is working correctly or not. Let's run makefile, and you can see that it compiles everything. And if I go ahead and try to read all accounts, you can see that Tom has a balance of 500. So if I try to withdraw from say John a balance of 200 while he has only 100, you can see it says not enough balance in account. And if I try to withdraw from say Tom negative 50, let's say, it says that cannot withdraw negative amount, and the original balances stay the same. So this is pretty awesome, and with that we have basically got this series wrapped up, and I'm going to end this series here. And you can of course add more features, and now you should have the skill set that allows you to basically add more features in this program, and make sure to split them up into logical files as you go on. And yeah, so we are going to end this series here. Now as far as the next series is concerned, I want to ask your guys' opinion on what I should do. If I should try something like a game in Unity or something of that sort, or continue with this programming and try to implement with some more features in the Mario game we did. So we did a Mario series a while back, and we can improve it in a lot of ways and actually make it work as a better game, and there are a lot of features that could be added. So I think expanding that would be a good idea. If you guys think that something else is a better idea, then make sure to tell me that in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one with the new series. So yeah, make sure to stay tuned for that, and like and subscribe, and tell what you want to see in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one, and bye.